In this video, I'll show you how you can remove the champion tokens in League of Legends. Now, as you can see, I have the tokens. Let me just add the third one. Now, there's no way I can remove them from here. So what you want to do is you want to close down League of Legends, then open it up again. Then let me show you what to do. Now, this is super simple. I don't know if it's a bug or whatever it is, but you can do a little trick and it will disappear. So let's give it a second here to load up. Then I'm just gonna log into my account. Let's see here. Play. And then as soon as you come in, you're gonna click on your icon up here. I'll show you. So let it load for a little bit. You click your icon here and then you double click on the edit button. I'll show you in 1 second. Click on your icon, double click fast on the edit button, and now they will be gone. And it's not just a visual bug. If you go in here, they will still be gone and you can select new ones if you want. So that's basically how you can remove them, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.